Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add echo effect to your videos using the CapCut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the CapCut app, import your videos that you want to change, and to add echo effect, you just have to tap on your video or sound file and go to voice effects. And at the voice effects section, you will find the echo is going to be the sixth option. Now, first, I just want to show you the original sound so you can compare it. This is voice test number 1. This is my voice, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the original sound, and this is how it sounds like with the echo effect. This is voice test number 1. This is my voice, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think it works really good. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.